Alright, so welcome back to Woodstock TV. This is the basic car tip series. So everybody has windshield wipers and they seem to forget about it until it's storming and it's time to change them, and nobody knows how to change them for whatever reason. So super easy to do. Most cars, you can just grab this, pull it up. If this is covered up on your car where you can't just reach it and do that, turn the car on, turn the wipers on. Once they get up here, turn the car off, and then you're on the same step as this. So once you get to this point, it'll be a little tab right here. You just squeeze down on this and you pull the wipers down like so, and they should come right off. So as long as you can squeeze it, yeah, it's down, out, and that's it. And then when you get your new wipers, make sure it's angled the same way as your old ones. So you bring it down like so, and you pull it up until it clicks. You get that click, it's tight, and then you got new wipers. So real simple to do. So whenever you get a chance, just take a look at it. You'll know they're old if they're old. Like you can look at it and tell if it's old. But same process, you just squeeze and push down, and once you do that, you pull it out like so. You'll be left with this hook. Most cars are about the same. It's a few that are a little bit different. You just need like a screwdriver on some of them to do the same thing. And then you put the new ones on. You do it until it clicks, and you got new wipers. So real simple to do, quick and easy, and then you'll be able to see in the rain.